Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best instant pot chicken breast. Now this recipe is not gonna result in a bland white plain looking chicken breast. We're gonna sear it and then cook it to perfection and then finish it off with a nice red wine sauce all in the instant pot. Cooking chicken is super intimidating. You don't want it to be raw. It's complicated to cook it on the pan. You always have to keep checking, is it cooked or not? And the moment that you slice through that chicken breast to see if it's cooked, all those nice juices just leak out and you're gonna end up with a dry, rubbery chicken breast, and nobody likes that. The secret to this recipe will be searing the chicken to give it some nice color in the instant pot and then pressure cooking it to really lock up all those juices in the meat. So let's get started right now. So set your instant pot to saute on high, so more. So once the instant pot is hot, let's add some olive oil. Let that oil get hot and then we're gonna add the chicken. Sear this on each side for 2 minutes. The chicken has some nice color now. You're gonna get the same on the other side. The chicken is nicely colored on both sides. Now set this aside on a plate and we're gonna deglaze. So here I have some cherry tomatoes. That in there, some red onions. These little bits here, they can be beautiful once we deglaze it. So take in some chicken broth. Get all those bits out. And let this come back up to a simmer. Now season this with some salt and pepper. So since the mixture has come up to a simmer, hit cancel on the instant pot and add in your trivet. Like that. Then place your chicken with any juices right on there. Now we're going to close the lid. Make sure it is in sealing mode. Now select pressure cook. And cook this for 8 minutes. Make sure it's on high pressure. Timer just went off. We're gonna do a quick release. So let's release the pressure. Pressure is almost released. As soon as it's done, let's do the big reveal. The tomatoes have completely busted open. The onions look caramelized. Let's carefully take our chicken out and set it aside while we finish up on our gravy. So we're gonna hit cancel and change it to saute mode to finish up on our gravy. Let's change it to medium or normal. So as this comes up to a simmer, I'm gonna add in my bouquet garni here. So this is just bunched up sage, parsley, fresh thyme, and some dill. I'm just gonna drop this in our sauce here and let it come to a simmer. And as it simmers, all those flavors are going to be released, and we can just pick up that bouquet garni or just a bouquet of our fresh herbs, and we can discard of it and get this nice thick fragrant gravy. So after about 6 to 7 minutes simmering your bouquet garni with your sauce, let's take it out. You can let it be in there for longer depending on how strong of a flavor you want in the sauce. I tasted this and it was perfect for me. It has just enough of the flavors without overpowering those tomatoes and the caramelized onions. Now just add in a splash of red wine. Use some marsala here. And then add in a bit of molten butter. Give this a nice stir. You just reduce it for a few more minutes. Now as that wine reduces, it's really gonna help thicken up our sauce, and that butter, that's what's gonna make our sauce really nice, velvety smooth. This gravy is just amazing right now. That butter really helped to make it nice and smooth. The wine has nicely reduced. So now let's start plating. I'm just gonna transfer this sauce into a bowl just to make plating a little easier. Let's go ahead and do that. This is our delicious looking sauce here. It's nice and thick, tomatoey, some of that nice wine. It's gonna be amazing with our seared chicken. So now to plate this, let's add in a nice spoonful of our sauce. A nice pan-seared chicken, just perfectly cooked, nice and juicy. More of that sauce. Just to mop all that up, some nice crusty baguette. And there you have it, guys. This entire meal was made in the Instant Pot. Perfectly cooked, juicy, pan-seared chicken breast with the delicious, thick red wine sauce. So there you have it, guys. I really hope you liked how to cook the best chicken breast in the Instant Pot. If you like this video, let me know so in the comment section down below, and be sure to give this video a like. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new awesome content, and follow me on all my social media links. They'll be all listed down below. So I'll see you guys again on the next one.